All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I was just out cruising around and I found another car spot, a car show spot. So while I'm here, man, I'm going to show you what they got. I don't know where this is at, like in Bullitt County, Mount Sterling, I don't know. But I'm going to show you what they got at the car show. All right, we will see what we got here. It's like that Chevy too. I don't know what this 342. It's a Falcon. Pretty nice. Okay. Of course, you got the Camaro SS right here. It's a nice one right here. Impala SS. What is he? 22s or 24s? Look like 24s. Yeah, 24s. What's going on, man? You doing all right?
What's up, man? You all right?
Oh, yeah, doing good, man. This yours?
Nah, that's mine. That's my old bill right there.
Oh, okay.
80, man. That's my partner, bro.
Where's yours at?
Right there. It's on 89 Oldsmobile.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember I used to have one of these, had a 96.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are nice. Oh, shoot. This is nice right here. That's nice.
And a Chevelle Super Sport, Rich Eubank. Entry number 57, Larry Janetti in a 1966 Ford Mustang. Larry Janetti. Jennette. Larry Janetti.
Oh, yeah. This is nice right here.
I don't have a name on this one, it's just entry number 38.
It's nice.
Does anybody know what your entry number is?
Mustang.
Entry number 38.
All right, you got you a 5.0 right here. It's nice.
Yeah. Bring the registration number here.
Yeah. Like I say, this is a random car show, guys. I just stumbled upon. I was going to go get me something to eat. And I was like, man, I seen a lot of cars over here, so come over here and check it out. And here's mine's right over here. This is my favorite, the Camaros.
Next is entry number 19. John Hunnell.
All right. And this right here is what I want to put on my car. on my Camaro.
Or 2020.
I like the way the lift is. I like it. So I might be doing that on my Camaro.
Good one to see.
A lot of custom work in here. A lot of custom paint jobs in here. It's nice.
Tony Sanders
Nice.
in a 2011.
I don't know what that is on the paint job, like skulls or something.
Entry 149.
Yeah, like skulls. And this is on some kind of air suspension or something. It's nice.
All right. I don't have an entry number here, but Gary Hocknell, 1967 Chevy.
Of course, you got your C8 right here. Peanut butter gut. Nice.
Justin Gray's a 93, 53.
Supercharger.
All right, next is entry 125. Carlman in the 1938 Pontiac Coupe.
I like that right there. Old school right there. Remind me of like the Ghostbusters or something.
All right, next up is Chris Nelson in 2008.
Some of the smells on these cars, man, you could tell that they're old. They're original. I mean, I could just tell about the smell from the interior. It has that distinct smell. There ain't nothing been touched to it, been done to it. So I can just smell the smell of the interior, that this has nothing to, it's all original inside.
Next up is entry number 7. No names.
That's a lot of engine right there.
Next up is entry number 35, Brad Cecil, 1962 Chevy 2 Nova. Brad Cecil.
Yeah.
Brad.
What's funny, you heard my number, thought it was your number, then you went up there and
This is nice. Like I say, I could definitely gotta give me one of these wings right here.
Jim
She's
Lee.
gonna get one more shit.
Wait on you, Mr. Jim.
Did you win too?
Okay, here you go.
Dino won and then right after that. Mine was 20. 20, but he said in 2000.
Love the rims.
Next up is entry 150, Robbie Merchant, in 1964
Nice.
Chevy Nova. Robbie Merchant, 1964 Chevy Nova.
Love the color of this one. Camaro Chevy. I like this. I love the color.
64 Chevy Nova. All right, next up is entry number 45, Terry Barnes in a 1970 Ford Mustang, Terry Barnes.
These are nice cars.
Number 61,
Horse?
Mike and Jennifer Smith in a 2019 Camaro. Mike and Jennifer Smith.
It's nice.
Next up is entry number 70, Bob Thompson in 1954 Ford Custom Line. Bobby Thompson.
They got a lot of cars out here. Quite a few.
Next up is entry 131, Deb Lewis in a 1965 Chevy C10. Deb Lewis. All right, next up is entry number 74, Johnny Wright in a 1970 Pontiac Le Mans.
Yeah, guys, this
Johnny
is like
Wright, entry number 74,
a lot of old school cars here.
1970 Pontiac Le Mans.
Another Fairlane.
Next up is entry number 52, Adam Cantrell in a 1967 Chevy Malibu. Adam Cantrell in a 1967 Chevy Malibu.
Just like a
Next we have entry number 47, Kevin
the
Shirley
original
in a
looks like.
1970
Got a little
Chevy
custom
Malibu.
box right there. Nice.
All right, next up is entry number 111. Is Jim Ambergy in a 1971 Pontiac GTO. Jim or Tim Ambergy,
All right, guys.
1971
This is a small
Pontiac
car
GTO.
show. Got a Viper right here.
All right, next is
nice.
entry number
What size are
14,
these tires?
Bob Watterson in 1950
What size are these?
Chevy 210.
295 30s. Oh my gosh. That's the same size on the back of my GN.
Next
I can
up, we
imagine
have
what these
entry
are.
number 129.
355.
Looks like Buck Kessler in a 1964 Chevy Chevelle. Buck Kessler,
Them things are wide.
1964
Wow.
Chevy Chevelle.
Nice.
Next up is entry 18, Mike Bryant.
It's a power tour car.
2005 Corvette, Mike Bryant.
This is nice. It's really nice.
Les Brostic, in a 1963.5 Ford Galaxy 500.
Uh-huh. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of old school cars here. I think most of this.
Next is entry 117.
Let me get away from this speaker real
Andy
quick.
Hobbs in a 1969 Dodge Charger. Andy Hobbs.
Yes, it's nice.
Next is entry 99. Richard Boyer in 1964 Chevy 2 wagon. Richard Bauer, I guess, B-A-U, Bauer. Huh? 1964 Chevy 2 wagon.
All right, guys, this was just like a quick car show, man. Like I said, I stumbled across this, and I thought maybe y'all want to see some footage of some old school cars. To me, this is more like had a lot of older people here, so I guess it's like an older type car show. Most of the stuff is original and stuff like that. So, you know. So with that being said, guys, just a quick video, and to the next one, guys. I'm out. Peace.